Plaintiffs Tabby Schmelsley and Joe Rainwater live in the same apartment complex as the defendant, and Tabby says the defendant cares more about drugs than her own children. Tabby claims the defendant smokes K2 and crystal meth, and Tabby has seen her driving with her children while high. They're suing for stolen money and emotional distress. Defendant Jen Bailey Johnson says she was friends with Tabby and admits that they smoke K2 together, but insists she has never touched crystal meth. Jen says the money she's being sued for was paid to her by Tabby because Tabby needed clean urine for a drug test, and she's countersuing for emotional distress.
Let's start with you.
Your Honor, we know each other. We live in the same apartment complex, and my son plays with her daughter, and therefore we become friends. Soon I found out, she cares more about her drugs than she does her child. And she...
What do you mean by that?
I've seen her drive off in her car with her kids, and she was way too high to even walk a straight line.
Really?
And
how could I drive?
You know what she's high on?
She likes to do K2 and meth. Her boyfriend is a known drug dealer around town.
What type of drugs?
K2. And
wow.
I just regret it.
How do you know all this?
I know this because I've seen it.
You've seen her use crystal meth?
Yes.
Really?
Where were you all at?
Well,
Actually, in her apartment.
oh.
You used with her?
I did.
Okay.
Wow.
Go ahead. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Go ahead, man.
And I just found out she was very untrustworthy and a thief. And I regret her becoming friends with her.
You want to give me some background?
Well, yeah, it is true. We did hang out a few times, did smoke K2. It became illegal, so at that point I left it alone. My kids are more important to me than any drug. I am a manager at my job, so therefore I left her alone, left that alone. I don't want no part of that. I don't want no part of
crystal
no.
meth?
Are you serious? I've never even done crystal meth.
Right.
With her? We smoked K2.
I don't even smoke K2.
You lie.
Yeah, you are. Really?
I can't do that.
Sir, did you want to say anything?
I drive a truck and got my paycheck on a Friday, deposited it. Monday, I went to pay my bills and there was no money in my account. I called the bank. They gave me the Google Wallet, which I have never heard of them. But then the money was taken out of my account, put on this Google Wallet account. I called Google Wallet and asked, and I told them, I said, this was taken illegally. I said, I want to know who did it. And all they gave me was Jennifer's first name. Okay, so I go home, I asked Tabby, I said, do you know a Jennifer? And she said, yeah, apartment 3. And then we left, come back, and I asked Tabby to get Gringe, Jennifer's boyfriend, to come up to apartment so I could talk to him. I said, I asked him, do you guys have a Google Wallet account? He said, well, Jennifer did, but it's expired. And I told him what had happened. And from there, I told him, I said, well, if she's involved, I'm pressing charges. Well, I did file a complaint. Jennifer offered to pay me $400, in which I would have taken it, gone to police, dropped everything, but she never paid me. And then I asked her personally, I said, well, I thought you were going to pay me. And she said she was going to wait till she got her income tax, and I never got it. Never got any money off. And that's when I found out through her that Google Wallet had paid the money back to my account, which they didn't give it to me. They gave it to the bank.
All right. Ma'am?
Yes, I did tell him. She came over to my house and asked me to purchase some urine. She had to go take a drug test. And she was dirty. She was going to
wanted to buy it from you?
She was going to lose her kids and go to jail.
Because you were clean.
She knew that
You were clean?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
What happened to the K2 you were smoking?
I don't smoke it anymore. It became illegal.
All right.
That's why I said I left.
I didn't ask you that.
That's why I said
the two of you acknowledged was smoking K2. So why would your urine be cleaner than her if you all did the same thing together?
They don't test for K2.
Sir, get out of here. Put him out.
They wasn't testing her for K2, and the reason that
I didn't even have a probation appointment.
Let her keep doing what she's doing.
She did have a probation appointment. She came over to my apartment and said that she was getting ready to go to community corrections and she was dirty. So I went to the bathroom and I gave her the urine. She wanted to buy us some cell phones. At that point, I didn't want a cell phone, didn't need a cell phone. So I told her she could transfer the money over into my account, into my Google Wallet account.
So she gave you the money
So she transferred the money into my
in
account.
exchange for urine.
Right.
Okay.
At
Fraud.
that point,
You participated in fraud, you're saying.
I understand that. And I understand
That's
that it was
illegal.
wrong.
You do know that. You keep talking about K2 is not illegal.
I understand.
Wasn't illegal. That's illegal.
And I understand that.
Okay.
And
I just want to let
that
you know you still are a criminal.
I understand.
All right. You keep trying to, I'm innocent. I didn't do nothing. K2 was legal. K2 was legal.
I didn't by all means say
I'm
that
innocent. I
I
ain't
was
never done anything. I'm an upstanding citizen.
When I smoked it, it was legal.
Right.
Yes, we
All
bought
right,
it out of the
that's what I'm
store.
saying. You're an upstanding
We bought it out of the
citizen.
store.
You never broke the law.
I didn't say that.
Oh, I'm asking you then.
Oh, no, I have.
How often? How many convictions you have?
I have quite a bit of speeding tickets.
That's all? No criminal convictions other than that? All right, so what have you done wrong then, other than that? Other than sold your urine? You said you have committed crimes.
But we're not here for that.
No, we are now, because you kept proclaiming your innocence regarding using a drug. And then I
Right.
pointed out to you that you are not as innocent of a person. Your character is not as you are portraying it, because you acknowledged today that you committed a crime by selling her your urine, participated and conspired to defraud a governmental agency. So, have you committed other crimes?
No.
All right. And so when you were saying that, you thought traffic was a crime, or you were just lying?
No, yeah, I thought traffic was a crime.
Okay, now you're playing with me. Let's keep playing, though. Let's see how it works out for you.
No,
All right, come on. All right, so you say that she transferred the money to you to purchase your urine.
Right,
All right, and it was his money,
right.
and you knew that?
No.
You never spoke to him about paying him back?
I told him that I would pay him
Why?
back.
Why?
Because I didn't know that she wasn't supposed to be taking his money.
Okay, why haven't you paid him back?
Because Google Wallet paid him back.
Okay, and you say they have not paid you all of
Not
it?
to me personally. They went to the bank. Since
All
I
right, how
fired
much are you
all the-
short? You're suing for what? $558?
Yes, sir.
And so that's short of the amount Google has paid you?
Yes. Oh, no. Google Wallet on paid $350, $400 if I remember
Right.
right.
So you were entitled to $558
Yeah,
more?
Yeah, $558. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you say to the balance?
Google Wallet, they paid him the $350.
But they did not pay him all the money that you accepted.
So I should pay him $150.
Is that the amount that was the balance?
That'd be $200. Yes, sir.
Pardon me?
When she offered me $400, I would have taken it at the time, and I'd gone to the police, and I would have said, drop everything.
He dropped everything in criminal court.
Hold on,
We could have went.
Hold on, ma'am. Sir, these numbers aren't coming out right. You just said something about $200 now.
Well, she said they pay back $350. I don't know what the amount was, what Google Wallet.
You don't
said
know
that.
what you were paid back?
Yeah, the
So how
bank
are
got
you-
it.
huh?
The bank got it. The bank.
So what are you basing your $558 on?
So what was taken out, what I've got here in front of me?
The total amount taken?
Yes, sir.
But you were given some back.
Just a little bit, yeah. The bank was.
How much?
I don't know. I don't know how much. 350.
Oh, okay. Well, I
guess.
have to dismiss your claim. You don't know how much you're suing
350.
for, and you don't know what it's based on.
Yes,
And
yeah.
your claim is dismissed for emotional distress. I believe you're a drug addict. I believe you've been getting high recently, perhaps as early as a few minutes ago before coming to the studio. Have a good day, both of you. You didn't know what she owed you. You can't base it on anything. Have a good day.
I don't have anything to say to her.
I don't have anything to say to neither one of them. I'm done. I'm glad it's over with.
Yeah, it's over with.
Yep.
We're out of here.
Yep.